Price your concrete services to cover true costs and deliver a sustainable profit from the first estimate. Start by calculating all direct and indirect costs per job. Direct costs include labor hours multiplied by a realistic wage that accounts for taxes and benefits, material quantities multiplied by current market prices, and equipment wear calculated as a per hour or per job depreciation. Indirect costs are overhead like insurance, van and tool maintenance, office time, permits, and marketing. Allocate these across projected annual billable hours to get a per hour overhead rate. Add a profit margin on top of total cost that reflects your market position and growth goals. For a new company, a target of between 10% and 20% is reasonable, and you can adjust as demand increases. Use unit pricing for common items such as square footage of slab, linear footage of footings, and piece pricing for stairs or repairs, so estimates are consistent and fast. Always produce a written estimate that lists scope, exclusions, and payment terms. Require a deposit and stage payments for larger jobs to preserve cash flow and reduce risk. 3 common mistakes are underestimating labor time, ignoring overhead, and competing on price alone, and each has a simple corrective path. Underestimating labor happens when you assume ideal conditions. Fix this by timing representative jobs, adding contingency minutes for setup and cleanup, and building a buffer into every labor line. Ignoring overhead makes bids look profitable, but they are not. Remedy this by quarterly reviewing fixed costs and dividing them across realistic billable hours, so your hourly rate reflects total business cost. Competing only on low price burns you out and prevents growth. Instead, emphasize craftsmanship, responsiveness, and owner involvement. Charge what you need to operate, and offer staged options so customers choose value rather than the lowest number. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like concrete work, helping people find local providers and enabling contractors to generate leads. We host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and compare experiences so both homeowners and contractors learn and grow together.